So, no clue what this is, but apparently it's a vent of some sort. It takes 2 Phillips. Imagine 2 Phillips in the front. So I'm gonna pause the video and come back after those Phillips are done. We're gonna see what it is. So, surprise, surprise, there's a wasp nest. Yeah. Jen told me that before this is a vent for the fridge. I can see that. I feel heat coming out of it. No wasp nest, no not. Wow, a bunch of dead wasps. Yeah, so. Yeah. I don't know how long they've been there, nor do I really want to know. I'm just flicking them away. Wow, look at all that garbage right in there. Like, look at that. That's healthy for the RV. What the hell is that? That's goo stuff. Alright. Just cleaning it off. There we go. Looks better-ish. So now it's just the reverse, which is put the 4 screws back in at the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and off we go. We'll come back. So that was really interesting. You have to get the first 2 screws, meaning you gotta get that one there first, and that one there second before you can get the other 2. And Jen, what vent is that?
That is our refrigerator vent because the refrigerator runs off battery and gas.
Propane or gas?
Propane.
Ah, propane. Now look at this ladder, this piece of sad chrome.
That would be our roof basket.
Till next time, shut it, Mike.
Shut Mike.